What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys an easy way to blow up these inflatable toys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so what I've got here is an inflatable pool. As most people tend to do when they don't have a swimming pool themselves, they'll buy their kids one of these things. Now these are huge and it's going to be a nightmare to blow up if I'm going to try and use my lungs. So what I've decided to do is show you guys an easy way to blow these up, and that's through using one of these blowers. So I'm going to head outside and I'm going to inflate this and fill it up, get it ready for the kids. Let's get started. So there you have it, guys. Rather than taking 5 years to blow this up, we did it in 5 minutes. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.